This ASUS ROG MAXIMUS Z890 Extreme motherboard delivers an exceptionally strong power design that keeps high core count Intel processors stable even under heavy overclocks. Its advanced memory tuning features and support for fast DDR5 make it easy to extract impressive real-world performance without endless manual tweaking. The board is packed with high-speed storage options, including multiple PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots with substantial heatsinks to keep drives running cool. Connectivity is outstanding, with modern Thunderbolt 5, abundant high-speed USB Type-C, and dual PCIe 5.0 graphics slots ready for top-tier expansion cards. For networking, the combination of Wi-Fi 7 and both 10-gigabit and 2.5-gigabit wired Ethernet gives creators and gamers low latency, high bandwidth options. Thoughtful do-it-yourself touches like tool-free M.2 mechanisms, easy slot release, onboard controls, and the integrated 5-inch status display make building and troubleshooting far more convenient.